So children, today we are going to discuss model paper number 10 from Edurite series. Okay, so model paper number 10, page number how much children? 399, 39,
239.
339,
239, sir.
239 children, 239 please children, all of you scroll to the page number 239. So first question children. Okay, I'll be telling us more like short questions, little bit fast children will be doing. Okay, state whether the following rational number will be terminating or not terminating. Terminating or non-terminating children without simplification, never do the sum children. 7 11s are 7 30s are. So 11 by 30 children. Do the prime factorization children. If you do prime factorization, 250 are 3 5s are. So 11 by 2 into 3 into 5. Since 3 is there, it is not terminating.
Non-terminating.
Since 3 is there, it is not terminating children. 3 is there, it is not terminating. Next, go to orbit children. We have orbit also in there. So coming to the orbit, unorbited. So there is, so to find the simplest form of 1095 by 1168. 1095 by 1168. Find the simplest form is same children. So simplest form of 1095 by 1168 children. So they will go in which table children, both of them. So upper one will go in 3 table, 14, 15, 16, 3 table is more children. So in which table they will go children together? 13. In 13 table, do they watch it in 13 table? On section and all of you in 13 table, does it go? Simplify children with 13.
No, sir.
19 table, you check. 19 table, you check children.
No, sir.
Find the discriminant. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Discriminant means what children? B square minus 4x. So minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 6 children. So discriminant is equal to 49 minus 4, so 8 is the 48. Discriminant is equal to 1. Okay, because it is coming greater than 1 is greater than 0. It will have real and unique roots. Real and
Real
unique
roots.
Go to third question. Yeah, go to third question channel. Check whether the pair of linear equations is consistent or inconsistent is asking. So x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 2. So this is 1 by 2. This is 3 by minus 3. This is 6 by 2. There is 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by A2.
Unique and real.
Unique
Consistent.
intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. You get one answer. You get intersecting lines. Okay, fourth question, children. Okay, if a line intersects a circle at two distinct points, what is it called? If a line
Secant.
at two distinct points, it is called secant. If a line intersects at two
Secant.
distinct points, it is called secant. Fifth question, children. Okay, find the first four terms of AP whose first term is A is equal to minus 2 and the common difference is also minus 2. Find the first four terms is asking. So children, first four terms means first is minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 4.
minus 4,
Minus 4, minus 2,
Minus 4. Minus 6.
minus 8,
Minus 8.
That's the first four terms of AP, children. And the sum of three numbers of AP is 21. Children, whenever they say three numbers, what will take? A minus B,
A minus B, A plus D.
A plus
A
B,
plus H, A plus D. Whenever they say three numbers in AP, children, take A minus D, A plus D. Whenever they say three numbers, take A minus D, A plus D. Sum of three numbers is 21. Whenever they say five numbers, children, A minus 3D, A minus four numbers, sorry. Whenever they say four numbers,
A minus
3D,
2D.
no, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. These are four numbers. Everywhere common difference is 2D. Okay, three numbers means A minus D, A plus D. So minus D plus D cancel. 3A is equal to 21. A is equal to 7. Okay, and their product is 231. A minus D into A plus D is 21. This is 7, children. 7 minus D into 7 plus D is equal to 21. 7 goes down, children. This is A minus B, A plus B.
7 square minus.
A square minus B square.
Okay, this comes here, this goes there. So what do you get, children? So
D square is equal to 46.
46.
Yeah.
Okay, d square is
Yes,
equal
of
to no, the product is only figure 231 children. Product is 231. Product is 231 children. Product is 231. 1 second. So product is 231 means 49 minus d square is equal to 231 by 7. 49 minus d square is equal to how much?
33.
7. 3 is
33
33. This goes here, this comes here. D square is equal to how much?
equal to
16.
16.
D is
4
4
square,
square.
D
D is
equal to
6
4.
4
A is equal to how much? 7. A
7.
is equal to 7, D is equal to plus or minus 4. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. Or 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 minus 4 is minus.
Minus 1.
Anything is possible. Anything is possible. This is fifth question. Both bits I need actually. Yeah, both bits. So children, whenever they say three numbers, A minus B, A plus B, you should take. Whenever they say three numbers, A minus B, A plus B. Whenever they say four numbers, A minus 3B, A minus B, A plus B, you take. A plus B. Like that you have to check children. So that in the exam, you fast think you will take. You need not waste the time children. What I should take, what I should not take. You need not think children. First of all, if you practice in exam, you will get easy ideas. A minus B, A plus B, three numbers are given. Sixth question. Sixth question for the AP, minus 1.1, minus 3.1, minus 5.1, minus 7.1. Write the first term and the common difference. What is the first term, children?
Minus
Minus
1.1.
1.1.
What is common difference?
Minus
Minus
2.
1. Minus of plus 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 3.1 plus 1.1. Minus 2.
Minus 2 is the common difference. Minus 2 is the common. Okay, children, seventh question. Solve for x plus 2 into 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Solve for it. Solve. We have to solve it. Okay. So x
square.
solve means you have to find out x no children. So this if it goes
Yes,
down,
sir.
3x minus 5 is
3x
equal to 0.
minus 5 is 0. X is 5 by 3.
5x is equal to 5 by 3.
Suppose if this goes 0,
X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 2.
that's all. One time you send this down, one time you send this down, already they have factorized it. You need not further factorize it, children. Over. Okay, eighth question, children. State whether the following quadratic equations has two distinct real roots or not. Okay, children, seventh only orbit is there, children. They have given equation x square minus 3x plus 4. Discriminant will find children. B square minus 4ac. So discriminant is equal to minus 3 whole square 4 into 1 into 4. D square is equal to 9 minus 16. D is equal to minus 7. Because it is D is less than 0. No real roots.
No real roots.
No roots are there. For this, no roots are there. Eighth answer. Check children, eighth answer. What is the angle between tangent and radius? What is the angle between tangent and radius?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Out of given group of lines, the longest is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse of it is 90 degrees. Okay, children, small finger with daily textbook. Read that one, children. You will get it. Two concentric circles are there, children. Two concentric circles are there. Please see here. One is going like this. Like this, like this. Another is going like this, and this is coming like this. This is 90, this is 90, we know. So how much measurements are given? This is 3 they have given, children. And this is 5 they have given, children. And this is 12 they have given. What is the question? What is the length of PB? Okay, children, what is the length of the PB they have given? What is the length of PB? So children,
So we have to do the Pythagoras theorem for PAO.
first x you find. First x you find. So x square is equal to
12 square.
12.
x is equal to
144 plus 25 x square is equal to 169 x square is equal to 13 square x is equal to 13.
if this is 30, now we have to find out y. This one is PB. We have to find out y. Okay, children. So since
Sir, we cannot apply tangents meeting at a point.
I'm just meeting at a point. How come this?
PA and PB are tangent.
No, they are from the same circle. They should be from the same circle. Huh? They are from different circles. So again, you apply Pythagoras theorem, children, for this one. Anyone? Apply Pythagoras theorem, children. 13 square is equal to y square.
Y square plus 3 square.
169 is equal to
169 is equal to y square plus 9. Y square is equal to 160.
Next step. Ninth only orbit.
Orbit.
No, ninth orbit is there. Yeah. So two concentric circles are 5 each. Two concentric circles are 5. This is 5, this is 3. This is 5 and 3. Find the length of the common chord. So children, first we have to find out this one, children. We have to accept 5 square
5
is
square is
equal to
equals to 3 x square plus 3 square. 25
Okay.
equals to x square plus 9. 25 x square is equals to 16. X is equal to 4 square. X is equal to 4.
If this is 4, this is also 4. Perpendicular bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the
Bisects the
chord.
chord.
So perpendicular from the center bisects chord 8 centimeters. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. This is ninth orbit. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So this is 4 wings. Other one also will be 4. Next 10th question. So please check children. Please keep copying children. At least you those who are not saying at least copy children. Do some useful work children in the life. Okay, so this is like this children. This is D, A, E, D, B, C. This is given triangle children. So D is the midpoint they said children. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint they have given children. D is the midpoint of BC and A is perpendicular. If BC is equal to A, children, this full thing is A. And AC is equal to B. AC is equal to B. ED is equal to X. Children, this is equal to X. And AD is equal to P. AD is equal to P. And AE is equal to H. This is H. We have to prove that.
ABC, sir.
Amma, AB is
ABC.
ABC. Okay, ABC. We have to prove that B square minus C square is equal to 2AX. B square minus C square is equal to 2AX. We have to prove. B square minus C square is equal to 2AX. We have to prove. Okay. Share that solution and do it here. Please keep copying. B is here. Okay, children, C is there. 2AX we have to put. B square minus C square is equal to 2AX. Okay, so what, for Pythagoras theorem, for what shall we put first one?
First B square.
EAC.
First, all three triangles.
We'll put for all three triangles. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for AEC, if you put it.
AC square.
Someone mute audio. I think Rakesh, lot of disturbance. Okay, so A is A by 2 whole square. This total is A, no children. Okay. From EC, what will take children? EC. This is X, this is A by 2. X plus A by 2 whole square. I think don't think it will be that much, but let's check children. This is X, this is A. Now only for AED we will do children. Only for AED, E square is equal to H square plus X square. For only AED children we will do. For only AED, C square is equal to H square plus X. So children, this is how much children? This is
X plus A by 2 whole square.
now A by 2 minus X. From A by 2 we have to remove
A
X.
by 2 minus X.
A by 2 minus X whole square. Now according to the question, we want B square minus C square. Let's do according to the question, B square minus C square. So children, B square minus C square is X square plus A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay children, now minus this will be H square minus H square plus A square plus B square minus 2AB. So children, B square minus C square is equal to H square plus X square plus A square by 4 plus AX minus H square minus A square by 4 minus X square plus AX. So children, anything is getting cancelled?
H square, A square by 4 and
A
X
square by
square.
4. H square minus H square.
Minus H square. Anything else children?
X square.
X square. So what is the left over? B square minus C square is equal to
2A.
AX plus
AX plus AX, 2AX.
That's all over, no children.
Yes.
That's all over. No need of P, no need of X, no need of H, nothing has come children. Unnecessarily has confused. Okay, So children, then when you do for all the triangles Pythagoras theorem, you get some idea. Children, this is 10 questions. It will be bigger only, bigger side. So this copy, children. Next step, 10 questions are over. Let's go to the new questions. Okay, children, 11th question. Which term of AP? Children, I'm doing 11th question. See here, children. 11th question. Which term of AP? 21, 42, 21, 42, 63, 84. Grishma, tell how to do this. E is 420.
Yes.
Which term is 420? Tell me the formula.
N equals to A plus N minus 1 into D.
Okay.
420 equals to 21 plus N minus 1 into 21. 399 equals to N minus 1 into 21. 399 by 21. N minus 1 equals to 1. N equals to 20th. So it is 20th term.
20th term is
420.
20th term is 420. Tell me next sum. 12th question. So what is the 12th question? Is very easy. Prove the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities is asking to prove that cosecant minus sine into secant minus cos into tan plus cos. You have to prove is equal to 1. Come on, tell cosecant means
1 by sine minus sine. 1 by cos minus cos. Tan sine by cos plus cos by sine. LCM sine 1 minus sine square 1 minus cos square into sine square plus cos square
1 minus sin square is what?
cos square by sine into sine square by cos into 1 by sine cos cancellation 1.
So this is going to be 1. Okay, next. Very good. Srija, you tell them. Srija, you tell. Find the value of
Yes,
x.
sir.
So they are saying root 3 tan 2x is equal to cos 16 plus sin 45 plus cos into cos 45. Come on, tell.
Root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2.
Okay,
Root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
okay.
Root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1 by 4. Sorry, 2 by 4, sir. Sorry,
No,
2
1 by 2, 1 by 2. Half plus half is 1.
half, sir. Yes, sir, 1.
Yeah.
Tan 2x is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 2x is equal to tan 30. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 15.
Yes. Say one more. Do you have putting some with you? Putting some. If the radius of the base of right circular cylinder is half. Okay, radius is half. Radius is half. Keeping the height same. Keeping the height same. Find the ratio of volume of reduced cylinder to that of original. Ratio of reduced cylinder to original. So R1 by R2. Volume. Original cylinder is how much now? Pi R square
R
H.
square H.
3 either pi.
Yes, sir.
Tell na. Pi
V1 by V2 pi cancel. H cancel. R square by 4. R square cancel. So V1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 4. So V2 is equal to 4 V1.
So changed one is equal to 4 times the original. Changed one is equal to 4 times the original. Or original is equal to 1/4 of changed. Original is equal to 1/4 of changed. Okay. Varshini is there. Varshini, you want to tell?
Yes, sir.
Come on. 15, sir. Which term of AP 1074? 1074E is minus 41. Same like this one. Come on, 10 fast.
A is equal to 10. A plus n minus 1 into D. 10 plus n minus 1
7
Min-
minus 10 minus 3.
minus 41 minus 10 is equal to
Okay, you want to take it this way. Very good.
n minus 1 into minus 3
Very good.
minus 51 divided by minus 3
Take down. Keep saying. Yeah. 18th term is minus 41. 18th term is minus 41. Okay, so 18th term is coming minus 41. What are the questions? Are you there or should I ask someone? A letter of English alphabet is chosen at random. Determine the probability that the chosen letter is consonant. How many consonants are there?
24.
20, total 26, no, right? Letters. Vowels are 5. Vowels are 5.
21 consonants, sir.
26 minus 5, 21 consonants are there because vowels are 5. So 21 consonants are there. So probability of consonancy is 21 by 26.
26.
Okay, so that's also probability of consonancy is 21 by 26. There is 16 sum. This is 16 sum. Okay, children. So we have completed 16. Let's do case study, children. Please open case study solve. Can anyone find the coordinates of the 17th question and let me know, children? 17th question coordinates. P I want, Q I want, R I want. Coordinates. Can anyone help me? First Q you tell children. Anyone 3 comma 1.
Yes. No, 3 comma 2.
Sir, 3 comma 2, sir.
Okay, 3 comma 2. P anyone? P. 4 comma
4 comma
6.
4 comma 6.
Sir.
Can anyone tell me
Six.
heart?
6 comma 5. 6 comma 5.
6 comma 5.
That's all. Now, if you know the coordinates, you can do anything on this. Considering A as the origin, what are the coordinates of A? What are the coordinates of A? Children?
0 comma 0.
0.
Oh, A is there. Sorry. A is 0 comma 0, children, of course, because it is the origin. No? Second question. What are the coordinates of P?
4 comma 6.
4 comma 6. Next. What are the coordinates of R?
6 comma 5.
6 comma 5 means A option. And next, what are the coordinates of D? D is there. Huh? Where is D, children?
16 comma 0.
Yes, sir. 16 comma 0.
16 comma 0. That corner it is there. No, 16 comma 0. And next, what are the coordinates of P if D is taken as the origin? If D is taken as the origin, what are the coordinates of P? Can anyone please see it? If D is taken as origin, yes, children. 1, 2, 3.
12 comma 6.
Sure. Huh?
Sorry, sir. So we should take minus, no, sir. Minus 12 comma 6.
No, why minus?
Yeah. So as D is the origin, P is backside of equation.
Backside, yeah.
Minus
Minus
12
12 comma 6.
Minus 12 comma 6. Children, okay. So you should be very careful, children. Next question. 18th question. So an aeroplane. Okay, children, aeroplane leaves and flies not at 3. Children, one is going at the speed of 300 kmph. One is going at 300 kmph. At the same time, another one is going at 400 kmph. Another aeroplane is going at 400 kmph. Okay, so question is, distance traveled by the first aeroplane in 1.5 hours. Distance is equal to?
Speed into
Speed
time.
into time.
300 into?
1.5.
450 kilometers. Next. Distance traveled by the second aeroplane in same 1.5 hours.
600 kilometers.
600
kilometers.
600 kilometers. Distance between which of the following line segments show the distance between both aeroplanes?
AB.
Distance between the both aeroplanes is AB. What is AB distance? The next question. Which aeroplane traveled a long distance? Second aeroplane.
600.
Second one.
How far are they apart? X square is equal to 450
After
square plus-
1.5 hours, sir.
After 1.5 hours only we calculate the
Yes,
distance.
sir.
No?
Okay, sir.
45, 45, 2025, 00 plus 60, 60, 36, 1, 2, 3, 4. X square is equal to 1, 2, 5, 2, 6, 5. 5, 6, 2, 5. Root of 5, 6, 2, 5, 0, 0. 5, 6, 2, 5 whole square is 8, 7, 56, 7, 8, 56, 7, 5, 0. 750 meters is the distance between them. Children. Is it there, 750 meters?
Yes, sir, 750.
So option is B.
Yes, sir. B.
Got 19 questions. Children. So can anyone tell me class intervals? The up to which sheet is there? Up to
80.
come on, children. Can anyone tell frequency?
7,
7.
7.
7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8.
8. Okay. So question is, while computing means of the group data, we assume that the frequencies are
Centered at the class mark.
next evenly distributed over all the classes. No, it's centered at the class marks. Centered at the class marks. So
Class marks.
they are centered because this is Fi, then we will take Xi. No?
Xi
Centered at
any
class
median
mark.
value.
Some of the lower limits of median class and model class. Children, what is the model class, children? Model class?
20, 40 to 50.
40 to 50, sir.
40 to 50 is your model class. Tell me cumulative frequency, children. 7, 21.
34, 66, 77, 8, 93, 101,
101.
92, 100.
100,
100 by 2 is
50,
50.
50 comes with
66. 40 to 50.
80.
80, sir.
Option
80 is the sum.
So what is the
Sum.
question? Sum of lower
Sum
limits.
of lower.
40 plus 40?
80.
80.
80. Find the mode. So children, they are asking mode. Mode is lower limit is 40 plus F1 is how much? This is
Six.
F0, F1.
12
20 minus
20
12
minus
by
12.
40 minus 12
minus 12 minus
into
11.
10.
40 plus
80 by 23. 40 plus 80 by 17.
17 4 plus 68. No? So 68 means 17 plus 17, 8,
7.
7. So 44.7 is there approximately.
Yes.
Half of the upper limit plus lower limit class is called class mark.
Class mark.
Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 is class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2 is called class mark. Next, median. What is the median, children?
L plus
40 plus 50 minus
46 by
by
20 into 10.
40 plus 6, 4 by
42.
Next, children, an ice cream cone is there, children, with a hemisphere. An ice cream cone with hemisphere, children. The height of the cone is 9 centimeters. The height of the cone is 9 centimeters, and the radius of the base is 2.5 centimeters. Radius of the base is 2.5 centimeters, children. So, questions, children. Let's first question. Volume of only hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere, children. Only hemisphere.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube. Anyone have calculated? Please tell me. 2 by
Sir, he asked in fraction form only, sir.
Okay, so 2 by 3 pi r cube is 2.5
1.5 into 2.5 into 2.
2 by 3 pi r cube, children. So how much it will be? So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.25 into 2.5. 2.5 into 2 is 5. 5 into 22 into 6.25 by 21. This is 110. 110 into 6.25 by 21. So this will be 11 into 62.5 by 21. Is it still 55, children?
Yes, sir.
687.5 by 21.
687.5 by
21.
Is it there, children? Any
Sir,
answer?
he
No,
did
sir.
into 2 and by 2, sir. Like he multiplied by 2.
So how much is coming?
1375 by 42 something.
1375 is there, huh? Yeah. Second option.
Yes, sir.
Second option is there, children. Second option is there. Next, the volume of ice cream without hemisphere means volume of cone. Volume of cone is
1
1
by
by
3 pi
1
r
by 3
square
pi r
h.
square h.
so 1 by
1
3
1 by 3 into
22
22
by
by
7
7
into
into
2.5
2.5 into
into
2.5 into 9.
9.
So
6.25.
6.5 by 7. You please do it on your own, children. Next, the TSA of the cone. TSA of the cone, children. TSA of the cone means pi r plus
Pi r into r plus c.
actually TSA of only cone with the ice cream or without ice cream, he asked. TSA of cone with ice cream or without ice cream. Without ice cream means pi r square. With ice cream means 2 pi r. What shall we do, children? With ice cream or without ice cream? With ice cream means this will come. Without ice cream means this will come. What shall we do, children? TSA of cone. Next, volume of whole ice cream. So this plus this you have to add, children. So during the
Sir, I
conversion
think
of,
without ice cream only, sir.
okay. So volumes remains always unaltered.
Unaltered.
Volume remains always unaltered. Okay, Shiva? Next. Express as a rational number in the simplest form. So children 0.23 bar. Okay, children, so x is equal to 0.232323 and so on. As the bar is having two numbers, multiply both sides with 100.
100.
As bar is there for two numbers, multiply both sides with two numbers, 23.2323.
Minus x.
This you have to
Minus
subtract. X
x
is equal to
0.2323
99x is equals to 23.
23.
X is equals to 23 by 99.
3 by 99 is P by Q form of
0.23
0.23 bar. Go to 22nd question. 22nd question. Show that they are the vertices of rhombus, children. So children, we have the vertices of the rhombus means what all you should do. I will tell children, you will make minus 3 comma 2 is there. Okay, and minus 5 comma minus 5 is there. And next, what is there?
2
children?
comma minus 3.
2 comma minus 3 is there. Next, what is
4
there?
comma 4. 4 comma.
Find all distances, children. Find all distances. AB you should find out. BC you should find out. CD you should find out. AD you should find out. All sides if it is coming, it is a rhombus or square. Now you find diagonals AC and BD. Diagonal should become not equal.
Unequal.
If diagonals are unequal, it is a rhombus. If diagonals are equal, it is a square.
Square.
So that's where the rhombus and square will differ, children. You find all sides and diagonals of it. If diagonals are not equal, it is a rhombus. If diagonals are equal, it is a square. Use formula. What is the formula you will use, children? All sides x2 minus
x2 minus x1 whole
Into
square
y2
plus
minus
y2
y1.
minus y1 whole
plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You have to do, children. Okay. Next, 22 only orbit is there, children. In 22 orbit, what is there? Are the two ones whose centroid has coordinates? Children. So this is 3 comma 2. This is minus 2 comma 1. Are the two vertices of triangle ABC whose centroid G has coordinates. G coordinates of centroid are how much they give, children? 5 by 3.
5 by 3 comma minus
Minus
1
1 by 3.
What is third one? So what is the formula for centroid, children?
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2.
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3.
Oh, yeah, 3, sir.
And what is the centroid for other one? y1 plus
y2 plus y3 by 3.
x1 I will do, y you do, children. Okay, x1 I will be doing, y you do and tell me, children, all of you. x1 I will be doing, y all of you do and you tell, children. I'm taking as this as 5 by 3. Please, children, all of you do it on your own. 3 plus minus 2 plus x3 by 3. 3 cancel. 5 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 plus x3. This goes here. I got x3 as 4. Anyone got y?
Minus 4.
How much? 2 plus 1 plus y3 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 plus y3. So y3 is equal to minus 4. Very good.
Minus 4.
So children, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 are coordinates of the centroid of a triangle. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. If you want median, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is median. Midpoint, sorry, midpoint. But centroid means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Never forget, very, very important. 24th question. Let's go to 24th question, all of you. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus k. So alpha minus beta is equal to 9. Children, alpha minus beta is equal to 9. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to what?
-1.
Minus b by a.
Yes, sir.
So
Minus
alpha plus beta is equal to how much?
-1.
Minus 1 by 1.
1, sir.
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus of minus plus
Sir,
1.
minus of -1, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alpha minus beta is equal to 9. They gave 2 alpha is equal to 10.
10.
Alpha is equal to 5. If alpha is equal to 5, alpha minus beta is equal to 9, no? 5 minus beta is equal to 9. Beta is equal to -4. But now what they're asking k. Children, we know alpha beta formula is what, children? C by K.
C by A.
Alpha is how much? 5.
5
Beta is how much?
5 into
-4.
-4.
K by 1. So k is equal to how much, children? Minus 20.
Minus
K is
20.
equal to -20, children. Like that. 24th section. K is equal to -20. Go to 25th question. Go to 25th question, children, all of you. In 25th question, they have given right hand triangle, children. In 25th question, they have given like this. So this is A, this is D, this is B, and this is C. What are the values they have given? CD is 70, children. CD is 17, and BD is 8, BD is 8, and AD is 4, and find the value of AC. Find the value of AC, and anything they given, nothing else is given. They didn't even say that it is 90 degrees, children. Outrightly they have given find the value. They did not say that even it is 90 degrees, children, but without taking 90 degrees, we can't do, children. So first apply Pythagoras theorem for this, children. 17 square is
equal to 8 square y square plus 8 square.
Okay.
89 is equal to y square plus 64.
Y square is equal to 225.
Okay.
Square is equal to
Y square is equal to 15 square.
Okay.
Equal to 15.
Y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15. Now I want x. How to find out x?
X square is equal to 15 square plus 4 square.
12 square.
Sir,
Oh, yes,
0.04, sir. Like 4
225
centimeters.
5 plus 1 4.
How much, Amma? 225 plus 144 is how much?
369.
X square
X
is equal
square is equal to root 369.
to 369. Don't have square roots, actually.
Yes. Root 369.
Sir, they gave actually 4 centimeters, sir. All the values are in meters.
No problem, Nana. That is conversion mistake, that's all. The small mistakes, that's all. So children, 361 means we know 19 square, children. So 19.2 something and give children approximately. Because 361 root is 19, so approximately 19.2 and give children. So 26th, 25th, we are doing 24th only, but I am putting numbers wrong. Now we are doing 25th question, children. Okay. 25th will do and we'll stop, children. Remaining will do tomorrow. Why? How many are there? 36 are there. No? Yeah, remaining will do tomorrow. Children. 25th two sums will do and then stop, children. Okay, sine A minus B. Sine Bhavika, you do sine A minus B is 1 by 2. Cos A minus A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. I want both values. Tell me how to do this. Sine A minus B is equal to sine 30.
Sine 30.
Cos A plus B is equal to cos 60.
Cos 60.
Sine cancel, cos cancel. A minus
A
B is
minus
equal
B is
to
equal to 30. A
A
plus
plus-
B is equal to 60. B cancel. 2A is equal to 90. A is equal to 45.
A is equal to 45. Next. So prove that cos A plus tan A, cot A plus tan B. Hasek, you tell how to do this. Cot A plus tan B. Cot B plus tan A. Tell Hasek is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell. Cot A tan B, you have to prove. You keep telling and I will help you. Don't worry about it.
Sir, we need to convert them into sine and cos.
Tell them, Mama. Cot A is what?
Cos by sine, sir. Cos A by
Shall we
sine.
convert or shall we? Yeah. Tell. Cot means
cos A by sin A
Okay.
plus sin A by cos A.
Sin B by cos B.
Sin B by cos B by
Uh,
cos B by sin B plus sin A by cos A.
Very good. Tell me the LCM for this both.
Sin A cos A cos
Oh,
square A
lot of
plus
disturbance now. Lot of disturbance. Wait. Sin A gone. Children. Cos A cos B.
cos square A plus sin square.
Cos B gone. Sin A sin B. By again sin B cos A.
Sin B cos A.
So children, sin B gone. Cos A cos B. Cos A gone. Sin A sin B.
Sin A sin B.
So children, this whole thing gets cancelled. This will go up. Nothing will come here, children. So sin B.
Sin B by cos B.
Sin A by cos.
Cos B.
Sin B by cos B is what, children? Sin B by cos B is what?
Tan B.
Tan B. Cos A by sin A?
Cot A.
Cot A. Hence proof, children. That's it. So children, like this we have done, children. So we did, children. So remain some. So tomorrow morning, children.